Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Trent with All Things Automotive. I want to thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to look at a beautiful 2022 Kia Sorento Hybrid EX. This vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with just one previous owner. It is equipped with a 1.6 liter four-cylinder engine and is a hybrid. Beautiful styling here from Kia. Great job on the redesign. Let's start in the front here with a nice flashy grille, new Kia badging, and then the sharp lines of the grille here. As you can see, LED lighting here. And then you do have fog lights integrated to the lower bumper. Just a sharp, aggressive look in the front here. Okay, like new uniroyals. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a bit. Nice wheel from Kia. And always with All Things Automotive, like new tires all the way around. Okay, you will notice you do have turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap, passive door entry here. Beautiful interior. We'll start on the door card here. You have some nice design elements here, brushed aluminum or chrome, otherwise black on black, but that is going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice black leather vehicle. Front seats are heated, but we'll get into all the features here in just a bit. Like I said, we do take a lot of pride in our reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. We put all the work into it before it hits the lot so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after you buy it. Looks like all the tires are like new. Brake pads are good. Everything is good to go. Signed off by the technician that performed all these. Let's take a look. In the back seat here, you will have the captain's chairs. Very nice flow-through center console with some USB and 12-volt back here so you can stay connected and charged at all times. Again, the captain's chairs have nice fold-down armrests right there, so your rear passengers will definitely be comfortable. And if you look up, you will have a pano roof. Opens up the cabin space really nice. Okay, and back here's the third row that you have easy access to. Very spacious. Okay, a little bigger than the older models of Sorentos. Like I said, the redesign, they did a very good job. Let's continue around the vehicle. Let's go check out this lift gate. All right, guys, so as you can see here, these do fold flat for extra cargo space if you don't need the third row. Okay, you do have a little bit of storage under there as far as your tools. And you do have a lift gate button right here, so you just stand back and watch that magic happen. We'll continue our way throughout the car. It's a very nice dark blue color here. Not sure what they call it, but definitely catches the eye. Got your Kia pin striping here, which breaks up the blue. Very nice. Let's take a look at the driver area here. A couple things I will let you know here. You have another trunk or a hatch release right here, traction control off, brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters, and then your, looks like your lane keep assist right here. So nice safety features. Obviously all your power door windows locks. And if we pan over here, you'll see all the power seat adjustments. So let's go ahead and start it up. It's gonna be very quiet on startup as it is a hybrid. All right, I did want to mention this is a front wheel drive model here. Okay, and as you can see, clean CARFAX, one previous owner. Very nice styling in here, very cohesive. Like I said, brushed aluminum. You have your nice designs throughout the entire interior. Again, that big pano roof really opens up the cabin space. Okay, so just under 26,000 miles, like I said. To your left, you have your audio controls right here, and you have some safety features on the right side, and some more controls right here as far as modes like sport mode. Let's see if I pan through here. Eco, smart cruise control conditions not met. Okay, so that must be for your smart cruise control. And then you do have lane keep assist, and then your proximity alert for your adaptive cruise control as well. I did want to mention the nice large touchscreen display, high gloss black, very sleek. It does come with navigation. Okay, so that's a nice touchscreen right there. Big backup camera with bird's eye view here. As soon as I can get it to get into reverse there, as you can see. Okay, and there's your shifter. You have a shifter knob right here, and you just hit park, so you can select any thing you want down there. Here's your drive mode. Let's see if it tells us here. Eco, drive mode, sport for a more aggressive drive, smart mode, that'll get you more fuel efficient. Okay, EV, so definitely more fuel efficient there. More of aggressive drive, and an eco, again, more fuel efficient. Okay, you do have auto hold as far as parking brake. There's your proximity sensors. You do have options for your camera right there. Electronic parking brake and downhill descent control. Nice large cup holders right here with storage in the middle. Here, as you can see, 2 USBs, 3 USBs. It looks like you do have wireless charging right here as well. Heated seats right here. Go to the climate control. Pretty straightforward there, guys. Nice deep center console. Very nice styling in this 22 Kia Sorento. Okay, and you will get 2 keys for your added convenience. Looks like this one is equipped with remote start as well. And then you can access the lift gate on that button as well. Let's take a look under the hood here, guys. Make sure we're in park. All right, nice and quiet, very clean. There's your hybrid right there, Smart Stream. So no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Very clean engine bay, as we do take pride in our recondition here at All Things Automotive. Our staff does an amazing job. As you can see here on the front, you will have some stone chips from the road. Here, as you can see, other than that, on the exterior, I didn't see any dents, dings, or anything like that. And then the inside, I didn't see any imperfections. Maybe some small blemishes here. I'm off the passenger side door here. Going back here, I don't see anything that jumps out at me. So we like to be upfront and transparent. Try to point out any imperfections the car may have. A little blemish here by the lift gate. Going up the driver's side right now, I'm not seeing a lot, no dents or dings or anything like that. Just small blemishes throughout. That is a pre-owned vehicle. It's not perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible. Really sharp vehicle here, guys. 22 Kia Sorento Hybrid, less than 26,000 miles. You can give us a call at 717-485-4224 or go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved, very easy process, or just come down and check it out, guys. 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you and have a great day.